everyone, in this video we will demonstrate the concept of reversible and irreversible processes in thermodynamics. According to the second law of thermodynamics, natural processes tend to occur in a direction that increases the entropy or disorder of a system, while an ideal reversible process can return both the system and surrounding to their original state without any net change. Most real-life processes are irreversible because they involve energy dissipation and increased entropy. To understand this concept, we will perform two simple experiments.
Experiment 1. Rubber band. 2 fingers to stretch the rubber band and a bowl of hot water. First, stretch the rubber band between 2 fingers, then carefully pour hot water over the stretched rubber band while observing any changes in its length. Allow it to cool and observe whether it returns to its original length.
Wow! After hot water was poured over the stretched rubber band, it contracted and became slightly shorter. As the rubber band cooled, it gradually returned close to its original stretched length, indicating that the process is reversible because it was able to regain its previous state. This occurs because heating changed the arrangement of the polymer chains inside the rubber, causing the stretched rubber band to contract. When the heat is removed and the rubber band cools, the polymer chains returns closer to the original arrangement, allowing the rubber band to recover its previous length. Since the rubber band returns to its initial state with minimal permanent change, this demonstrates a reversible process.
Experiment 2. A bowl, hot water, and tea bag. Next, fill a bowl with hot water. Place a tea bag into the hot water and observe as the tea gradually spreads throughout the water. Continue observing until the water becomes evenly colored.
When the tea bag was placed into the hot water, the tea particles dissolve and diffuse throughout the water until the entire solution becomes uniformly colored. This demonstrates an irreversible process because heat causes the tea molecules to dissolve and spread from regions of higher concentration to lower concentration, increasing the entropy of the system. Once the tea has mixed completely with the water,
One eternity later.
it cannot spontaneously separate back into a tea bag and clear water. Therefore, the process is irreversible, which is consistent with the second law of thermodynamics.
In conclusion, these experiments demonstrate two different thermodynamic processes. The stretched rubber band represents a reversible process because it can return close to its original state after cooling. In contrast, tea mixing with hot water represents an irreversible process because the mixing cannot naturally be reversed. This example illustrates how the second law of thermodynamics explains the direction of natural processes that change in entropy.